Lawyer in the Kitchen. I'm Joseph Brooks. Hey, I will thank you for subscribing. Today we're gonna make smash burgers, and last week was the first time I ever made these things. And let me tell you why I started doing it. Sam the Cooking Guy, by the way, fantastic channel, you gotta watch it. He's having Smash Burger Month, so I feel like I'm obliged to do this. Anyhow, and then I had some last week and they were fantastic. The whole point of it is to smash that burger down on the grill with cold ground beef, I got a pound here, and then hold it down for 10 seconds and let it sizzle, let it caramelize, flip it over, put some salt, pepper on it, put some cheese on it, and then let the other side caramelize, put it on a toasted bun with butter, and they are fantastic. We'll add a little American cheese because it melts fast, it's great, and then I'm gonna put some of my tasty burger sauce, which is another video I'd like you to check out. So let's start. First of all, you want this meat cold. And we're looking for 3.5 ounces. Now, I think this is gonna be close just because I've done a few of these. So let's see what we got. This is just eyeballing. Let's see where we are. 3.39. I'm pretty happy with that. I'll put just a little bit more on there. That's good. We don't wanna, now they don't have to be perfect. We do not want to compact the meat. You want it loose because it'll make it easier to smash. All right, we're gonna make 3 of these, and this is gonna be a triple smash burger. Now, where do these things come from? What year does anybody think they are?
Smash burgers.
Smash burgers. Seth?
I'm gonna say 1960.
That's close.
1980.
Okay, 2007 is claimed by the Great Lakes, in the Great Lakes area, 2007, and there was actually a smash burger restaurant in Denver that also started in 2007, and they take the claim. But guess what? They're wrong. It's earlier than that, and it's not there. We'll talk about it. Let's go out to the grill. It's easier to do the buns first because you're going to get concentrating on the meat, and the meat has to be watched, and you don't want to burn your buns. Now, we were talking about the history, okay? So, where these things actually came from was a place in Pikeville, Kentucky, in over 50 years ago, and they just started smashing these burgers down, and they realized that when you smash them down, they thin out, and when you hold the smasher down, which I got to go get, you get the caramelization on these things and a nice great texture. Get all that butter. I'm gonna let that go just a little. Oh, that one's getting good. It's nice. You just want to put, perfect. That's good enough. We're gonna end up burning it. And there we are. All right, now we want to check our grill. That's 473, it's too hot. I'm gonna turn it off, actually. That's 500, I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna let it get down to 425, and then we're gonna put the burgers on. We're gonna put all 3 on. We're gonna put a little salt and pepper on it. Here we go. Smash it down, get it even. 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Use this or your spatula to pull that off, or you will burn yourself like I did the first time I made these. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's looking good. Now it's time for a little more salt and pepper. Look how thin they are. They got holes in them. All right, this one's done. Got a nice, like a little more char than that. I'm gonna let these sit a little bit longer. You know, I'll put the cheese on this as soon as you turn it over. I'm gonna put a little different cheese on that one. All right, we're getting ready to flip this one. That's perfection. All right, this one's done. And that's good that it's hard to get off. That's perfect. Yeah, there you go. All right, that is it. This is all off. Let's go put these together. You know what's amazing about this dish is that the first time I made these, I did it in the kitchen with an iron skillet. I thought that would work. We literally had to call the fire department back and tell them not to come because this house actually smelled like smash burgers for almost a day. So I decided outside is the way to cook these things because you got them hot and they're going to be steaming and they're going to be, you know, all that smoke and everything. So do them outside. All right, so we're ready to put this together. I don't know, it's 50 years ago. What would that be? About 1970-ish? So close to that. All right, so here's a tasty burger sauce. We're gonna put a little bit of that on the bottom bun. Not too much, because the flavor is really in the meat. This is plenty. And check out my video on that. This one's nice. This one's perfect. This is the perfect one right here. Absolutely perfect. Put a little bit of sauce. By the way, check out my tasty burger sauce. And this is going to be a triple, of course. Just a little bit. And a little bit on the bun. And there you have it, upside down. All right, so we're going to cut this in half. A bread knife would be better for the bread, but you got to cut through the meat. So here we are. Look how juicy that is. It's still juicy. We didn't overcook it. Got cheese in each layer. Got tasty burger sauce. Got to check out that video. And you got to subscribe if you would. Appreciate it. All right, let's have a bite of this. Here we go. I'll tell you what. I think my mouth is full. This is good.
You
Good.
take one and I'll take the other.
So good.
Oh my gosh.
All right. I tell you what, that's tasty. Like and subscribe. See you next time on Lawyer in the Kitchen.
This is mine.